This 2024 Newmar Bay Star Sport 3014 is a Class A RV. It is located in Huntsville, Alabama 35816 and is offered for sale by Bankston Motorhomes of Huntsville. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Newmar is 30 feet 0 inches in length and features a STOWE interior, sleeps 5, Slideout, and 75 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class A features rear bedroom. This 2024 Newmar Bay Star Sport 3014 is built on a Ford F-53 chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.